First of all, thank you for the $9.99 super chat, brother JC. He says, "Hi guys, I have been in tech for 9 years, software engineer and now QE. I was curious about making this transition. I'm capped out in my current role. Let me go to the rest of it because I want to make sure that I get to the full. And my software here does not allow for me to see it all. But let me go to my brother JC to get his full question answered here. 1 second, JC. I gotcha. I'm capped in my current role, but have some fear of losing my current income level. Any advice for me?" So he says this. Let me reread it, Trent. "Hi guys, I've been in tech for 9 years, software engineer and quality engineer, or I'm assuming QA. I was curious about making this transition. I'm capped out in my current role, but have some fear of losing my current income level. Any advice for me?"
Think about a large tree. It's always evolving. It's always getting better. The nutrients that it absorbs, it's taking away from potentially another tree in the area so it can keep getting bigger. Think about the most successful entrepreneurs out there: Mark Benioff, founder of Salesforce; Larry Ellison, founder of Oracle; Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. Do you think what did these guys know that we don't know? They didn't just wake up and knew all of this information, how to build a great company. They were always thinking, I don't know the information yet, but I'm in this infinite pursuit of knowledge. So if you're worrying about being capped out, one, you may not be in the right structure of the opportunity vehicle like we talked about, but two, all about being that tree and sucking up nutrients, because it's a learning game at the end of the day. And if you don't know something, or if you don't do something well it's always can be learned behavior. It's all about seeking out the information, knowledge, like Anton was talking about. And that's why podcasts like these are so relevant, about why it's important to seek out that specialized knowledge so you can keep growing to be more successful.
Love it. Jason says, "Does Course Career help with people who aren't American, living outside America and want to enter into tech sales?"
You need English communication skills to be successful in tech sales unless you work in a unique international market in which a company operates in. Company had offices in Dublin, EMEA had offices in Japan, Australia. So there are unique local languages that we sell to customers in those locations. So you would need to find a company that operates in that geography, and you would actually be more valuable to that company speaking that native language, because they need folks with the sales skills who speak that language. Yes, Course Careers will prepare you for that. It takes a little bit additional creativity than someone who's in a market like America, but it's absolutely possible.
Got it. There you go, Jason. Kim La, she has another question. Will Course Careers come out with additional classes in tech sales aside from SDR to help AEs or SDRs transition? And I'm going to take this one, Trent. Yes, Course Careers have partnered with Leveled Careers. Leveled Careers is a company that is the big brother to Course Careers, and they've just most recently come out with a course to help individuals transition from that of an SDR to an account executive. And this course is actually taught by none other than Mr. Kevin Dorsey. I had him on this show about 2 weeks ago. You can go and check out the live stream where he talks about how individuals can become a top tech sales closer. So Mr. Trent started off his career as an SDR. Mr. Trent graduated into that of an account executive. When you become an account executive, your earning potential goes up exponentially. And when you're an account executive, you have to learn what it takes to become a top performing closer. Well, the Level Careers course that helps individuals level up from an SDR to AE teaches you just that, how to become a top performing closer so that you can get to the level that Trent is at, making that $300,000, making that $400,000. You know, when I was an enterprise AE, my biggest year, Trent, was $540K.
What's up, ladder climbers? This is Antoine Wade. I wanted to interrupt this video to talk to you guys about Course Careers. Course Careers is the place that you guys need to go if you have a high interest into tech sales. They will help you gain the skills that you need so that you can enter the tech sales world to make a whole bunch of money. Tech sales salaries early on is about $60,000, guys. That's a good salary. And with OTEs, you can make anywhere from $85,000 to $90,000. If you have an interest in tech sales, check out Course Careers, link in the description. And don't forget to use Antoine50 so that you can get a $50 discount off of Course Careers. See you guys in tech sales.
$540,000, right? My first year getting in tech sales, I was at 378. My second year was 403. My third year as an individual contributor was 540K. And let's just say this now, guys. As a VP that's transitioned to the GM role, pay packages are out there right now, which I've shared, over $600,000 plus, right? So if you get into tech sales, you're going to make the money for yourself. You can leverage that money to do all the things that you ultimately want to do. You know, start your side hustle, buy real estate, take your family on trips, send your kids to private school. It's going to put you in a really good position and also give you an opportunity to make more money in your career. So guys, I let Miss Wade Kimla left a link of Level Careers into the chat as well too. Scorpio Retro came through with a super chat at $4.99. He says, taking a break from doing the course to support my brother. Actually, I've worked today and spending time with my stepdaughter. Get the likes up, y'all. Get the likes up. And thank you so much, Scorpio Retro, for the $4.99 super chat. Guys, this was the show today. This is the show that I wanted to share with you. This is the content that I wanted to bring to you in order for us to give you a little bit more insight into tech sales. Hopefully for those of you who are on the fence, who don't know if they want to go this path, maybe you have decided. Maybe something that Trent and I said have resonated with you. Maybe it did not. I don't know. But either way, it's been a very life-changing career for me transitioning into tech sales. Obviously, Trent has shared his story. It's life-changing for him as well, too. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. And here's the thing about this as well, too. Trent just talked about his most recent career change. Well, he has opportunities. There are more opportunities. There are going to be more people that's going to be knocking on his door, right, to get him and to leverage his expertise into those companies as well, too. So when you have skills and you display those and companies decide to let you go, guess what? There's going to be another company that's going to be opening their doors up saying, guys, come on in. Come on in. That's because you have those skills. Guys, Trent, you want to leave him with anything else, my man?
You're exactly right, Anton. If you can demonstrate to the market you have the skill set, you will always be in demand. I have personally received over 50 job offers or interview requests in the last week. Think about that. I'm making everyone, I say, hey, I'm not interested in going back in the job market anytime soon. I'm going to take some break, focus on myself. What this experience being fired has taught me is that the purpose of suffering is to teach, strengthen, and purify. And our thoughts determine our experience in life. So whatever it is you may be going through, however you may be watching or listening, just think about that and identify, well, once the lessons of a given circumstance pass, another circumstance will arise. So we've talked about growth today, and that is everything. It's all about how can I learn from this experience, and that's what I'm doing in my life. And hopefully today was a learning opportunity for all of you still listening.
Appreciate it, man. Trent, I appreciate it, brother. You came on this show and gave us the game, and I was the student today. You were the teacher, and there's many students that are in here who learned a lot today. Guys, do me a favor. Make sure before you leave this show today, you hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And guess what, guys? Just like we always do it. And until next time, y'all, peace.